Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild MegaWear Mascara. This mascara is to enhance and define and give you full healthy lashes. So this mascara has soy protein that's enriched with panthenol, which is really interesting. I've never heard of I'm not sure what soy protein does. I guess I should have looked that up before, but maybe I can look it up while I'm talking about this. So yeah, it has soy protein, which is interesting. I'm gonna see what that means. So I really like this mascara as just like a basic mascara. It's not going to like give you eyelashes that look like fake or anything like that. It's not gonna give you super long lashes, and it's not gonna like give you super voluminous lashes or things like that. However, it is gonna like give you some definition, and it works pretty well. Like I said, I like this for just a basic mascara when I'm like rushing out the door and just have time for like a quick makeup look. I usually will just do like a tinted moisturizer, a little bit of eyeliner, this mascara, eyebrows, run out the door. And I like it because it's hard to like mess it up. It doesn't get clumpy and stuff like other mascaras. So it's also just got like a really basic wand. There's not anything like super special about this. I feel like it is just a really basic mascara, but it works. It does give some definition and some length and some volume to your eyelashes. It's just not going to be like a crazy amount. It doesn't clump, so that's the reason I like using this when I'm like in a rush, because I don't have to worry about trying to be super careful to make sure that it doesn't get clumpy or anything like that. Okay, so I looked up what soy protein does, and it just helps to protect and strengthen your eyelashes and also nourish them. It's also just really good for your eye. Well, as good as I think mascara can be for your eyes, as healthy as it can be. Obviously, like the best thing, the most healthy thing is not applying anything, but it is gonna be, but the soy protein is something that's gonna help to keep your eye pretty healthy, your eyelashes pretty healthy, and not like, I don't know. But yeah, the tube itself doesn't have too much information on it. I have this in the color, oops, not even the camera. I have this in the color Very Black. I honestly don't know that it comes in any other colors other than black, but it's a pretty small tube. It's not like huge. It's maybe the size of like a permanent Sharpie marker or something like that. But yeah, you don't have to worry about it spilling. It's very clean, it's not clumpy, it's not anything like that, and it just works really well. I like the color. I didn't even like plan that. My nails almost match it. Almost. But yeah, this is just a really good basic mascara. It also lasts all day, so I don't usually have to reapply it when I use it. I apply it in the morning, and that's it. And there's a lot to be said about just like a basic mascara that's like that. There are a lot of mascaras on the market that are like higher end that I sometimes feel like I need to reapply, or that get clumpy, or that dry too quickly. So another thing is, I don't like mascaras that dry super quickly after putting it on, because I feel like it's harder to apply a second layer once it's already really dry. I do want it to dry a little bit before that second layer, but just not too much. And so this works. This doesn't dry too quickly, and it makes it really perfect for me to apply a second layer if I feel like I need to, which I usually do with any mascara that I wear. But like I said, I don't have to reapply it throughout the day. That being said, this is not a waterproof mascara, so if you are planning on going swimming, or you're doing something where like you're gonna watch like a sad movie or something that you're gonna cry, like just don't wear this, because it's gonna make you look like you have raccoon eyes, because as soon as like water hits your eye, it's just gonna like, the eyeliner is just gonna melt on your face. So just one thing to be aware of is it is not waterproof. It's not even a little bit waterproof. It doesn't claim to be waterproof, so you know, it's not like a product that says it's waterproof and it's not. It doesn't claim to be waterproof and it's not waterproof, so just something to be aware of. That being said, it's going to come off really easily when you do try to take it off, which is really nice. You're not going to have to like scrub your eye to get the mascara off. So yeah, this is a really nice mascara. I kind of just like to, it's in my like daily makeup bag for those days where I'm just rushing out the door. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.